Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going over the AMD day trade that we took yesterday, a very successful one where we hit 2 of the 3 take profits to lock in just about $216 in only a few minutes. So the cool thing about this trade is that even though it went back and hit our stop loss at break even, we like to set a stop loss at break even after we take profit so that we can't lose money on the trade after. Even though it went back and hit that, we still hit 2 out of the 3 take profits, so we still made plenty of money. Like I said, $216. So what exactly are these numbers? These are basically where we bought and sold the contracts at. So the original buy was here, right down here at $215 per contract. Of course it is 2.15, but you gotta multiply 100 times because it's an option contract. We then took our first profit, which means we sold a portion of our position here at 235 and another portion here at 249. So why did we enter this trade? How did I know it was going to go in my favor? Well, for that we have to look at a larger time frame. Usually I do my charting anywhere from the 4-hour to the 5-minute, just anything that's larger than the 1 minute, because yes, I do trade on the 1 minute, but I like to get a kind of a bird's eye view on the trade we're about to take. So I just need a better perspective, because of course the larger the time frame, the more likely your zone or technical analysis will be not exactly fulfilled but respected. So in this case, I charted out this zone, this green zone right here, you guys can see, because I saw that when price closed below, it had very quick moves to the downside, and when price closed above or got into the zone and then closed above, then it was rocketing up pretty quickly. So as you guys can see, did that plenty of times here, so we decided, okay, let's go ahead and see if we can get into a trade using this zone. Now, as you guys can see from this chart, we're not exactly using that zone because price went out of it very quickly. So instead we had to find something very near the zone that was also being respected. So what do? We zoom in a little bit more, find something very similar, right, that's still very near this zone, so where we expect price to be bought up from on our larger time frame. And yeah, we just find a place almost exactly the same kind of situation where we see big moves out of it. So right here, price goes in the zone, goes above, up. Same thing here, except this move was very big. And then on Wednesday morning, price started inside of the zone, but then just rocketed up. So that really gave us an idea of how valid this zone actually was. So all we had to do was wait for price to fall back into the zone, close above, and then we went long on contracts. So we locked in $216 by doing this strategy I do where I'll take some profit off once I'm in a comfortable place to start taking profit. In this case, we were up $20 per contract right here at TP1, and then when it went up to 249 we took off even more, like I said. So how many contracts did I begin with and how many did I sell at those take profits? Well, I like to get in to my day trades with 10 contracts, which means you're risking $2,150, and all those were filled at 215. So 10 contracts were purchased here. We sold 4 here at TP1. I always do 4 or 40% of my position at TP1, and then another 4 at TP2. That way we're only holding 2 contracts after take profit 2, so that if it comes all the way back down to break even, we actually hardly lose any money at all. And if it keeps going up, yes, we're still able to secure a little bit more profit that way. So that's what price did. Went up very quickly, we took profit twice, and then it fell and stopped us out. But still a very, very successful trade overall because it was only 2 contracts. So just 20% of our position that was taken out at break even, and we didn't lose a single dollar on those contracts. With that being said, I take every single one of my day trades live in the Discord, so I'm going to link that in the description if you guys want to check that out. You can also DM me any questions through there. So, oh, one more thing, if you're not subscribed already and you haven't liked this video, I'd appreciate if you did both of those things because we are trying to monetize this channel, and so that would help a whole lot. Thank you guys very much for watching, and have a great rest of your day.